Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log into Delta Force. First of all, launch open Delta Force game on your device, and then once you do that, you'll end up in this login screen. You can log in using Facebook, Google or email option from the main homepage. There are also other options such as Line, X or Discord. Choose any one login methods from the menu. I'm going to choose the Google option. You can choose any other option of your preference. Once you do that, follow through the on-screen instructions and provide your information. Enter the credentials for the login method that you've chosen. Once you are done, you can then go ahead and select one of the game matches and tap Start. And there you have successfully logged in to your Delta Force account. You can now start playing the game by tapping the ready button at the bottom right. That's how you easily log into your Delta Force account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.